it looks as if this new blade goes faster. Was that just my... Ooh!
Tipping.
Jesus!
Big Taylor.
That is freaking horrible.
Let's use it dry.
Oh, fuck.
What?
Yeah, that's it.
You think?
Because here they use it dry, right?
Don't use it on that one, don't we?
An angle? Ah, yeah, you can just not use it to like grind. You can only use it to cut. I think that's what it means. So maybe this blade is not for wet. Day 45 of trying to tile a floor in the bathroom.
But I'll let you eat.
What?
There's no water, we're gonna have a hell of a lot of dust.
Come on, bring it.
Bring it on.
Bring it. No different. Well, I bought another blade for the grinder we can try.
No, but what does that mean? You had it in your hand, didn't you?
Oh yeah, I throw it away around.
Oh.
It's the same as the other one.
Yeah, no, I want to read what the... Well, you don't take them back, anyway.
No. Hey.
Big chunks. Does that mean a maximum of 7mm? Or is just the diamonds are 7mm?
I assumed that it was the diamonds. That was 7mm. We found some discs. Maybe we also need a tile cutter. That's like 1 meter 50.
Yep, go back. That's why it's important to clean it.
So we have a new disc. This disc was €60.
And it wasn't the most expensive.
No, they even had more expensive. We're hoping this is going to work. That's a lot better, guys. Look. This was a cut with the other blades. Look. This is the new one. It seems like we got it working again, guys. What, am I jinxing it?
Let's see how you measured first.
Measure? I made a template. This should be fine.
Oh.
I'm so confident I'll show directly the audience how nice it fits in. have.
Yeah.
You want this one?
This is it.
He's just chilling. Yeah, that's it. He was trying to escape being cut. Wrong way around. Sorry, Jeff.
We're good, eh? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we're all red here.
Yeah. That's the paint coming off the blade. So I'm not bleeding.
No, luckily. Yeah. Why not? As long as it's not too small.
Template.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Falls?
If it falls right. That should be there, no?
I'll make you a template.
Square.
Fourteen and a half
14 and a half
by 1 full tile exactly.
14 and a half by 1.
No, so like half a tile. No, because I wanted to say leave a little bit more than I cut. So we're basically exactly the same. Jeff did it with measuring and I did it with a template. Better safe than sorry, guys. But I cut it a little bit too short, so Jeff's line is actually exactly at the right place. Maybe some more water?
Tim is assisting blocks us.
Finally got it. The last ones are the hardest. But these templates work perfect. Especially if you don't know how to measure. Oh, anyway. Looks perfect. Check. Yeah. Yeah. I need to take a little bit out of the corner here. Last tile, guys, for cutting. Then I'm gonna try and level the floor a bit. There are some parts that are a little bit high over there and also over here. See if we can scrape a little bit off. And then tomorrow on day 633 we'll start gluing them in. Will you be here, Jeff, for day 355 of tiling the bathroom floor?
Yes, why not? Might as well, eh?
I think we got him, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the final tile. Doesn't fit.
Sugar.
It's perfect. It took some time,
But we got there.
but we got it. Good, guys. How do you like the floor? So yeah, like I said already, this was like the cheapest ones that looked a little bit nice. I think for all the tiles together, I paid 260 euros. So that's very cheap. But you see, like, because they're cheap, like the patterns don't exactly, they match up and you don't see it. But if you look really close, like you see that depending on how you put the tile, like the design can jump a couple of mil. No problem. Did we forget something?
Yes.
Why are you looking like that?
Because I just
Oh,
remembered.
yeah.
And you?
Yeah.
The drain?
Yeah. We almost didn't have a tap. Wee-oo. Oh, but then we do it with the round drill thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a full tile, so if we fuck it up, we don't have extra work. We just take a new tile. So this is horrible to cut, because this you can't cut
No,
with
that's
a
what I'm
grinder.
going to do it with this.
So, luckily I bought this 40 mil diamond drill. This came from my favorite DIY store.
Okay.
Not from your favorite DIY store. No. No. Do we need a piece of tape or not? This is gonna fit here like... I'm gonna need a piece of tape.
You getting it?
No. Tiny hole. It's horrible.
What, is it that big?
Yeah. But I'm not sure that's gonna not fuck up the tile.
Should we wet it or not?
It's burning.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is good for these like metal.
Tile, no.
Because it can like, how you say?
Fertilize.
Misform or something, like if it...
No, it's hot. Yeah.
Maybe just wait a little? Maybe 1/3 in? Maybe a quarter. Hard tiles. You wonder how one broke in the back.
Yeah.
How much was this? This one was also 30 euros.
30. Yeah.
30. That works a lot better. You would almost say it's worth 30 euros. How do I measure that? It's like, it's crazy, right? Like, no, but that's not, look, I have like 1.5 centimeter here before the thing.
Yeah, but when you measured, did you push the tile all the way to the wall?
Oh, caralho.
Yes.
Ay, ay. Luckily somebody's paying attention. Doesn't help though. You being aggressive.
Oh, it's just sticking out.
So we have now Alejandro and Alejandra. This is Alejandra. She's also overheated.
She's on heat.
She's in heat.
Yeah. And then all their brothers and sisters now, you've got.
We got a whole collection of discs. Crazy. But we have now a way that works. If Alejandro doesn't fall asleep.